Okay, Chris, your computer is done, and we got your new capacitors in there. There's the first one. Put some light on that for you. There's number 2 and number 3. Looks good. Everything else on the board looks good. There wasn't really any damage underneath. There was a lot of spilled acid we had to clean up, or electrolyte. But as far as the traces and stuff, everything looked pretty good. And we got rid of them cheap capacitors that were in there and got you some quality Japanese ones. And let's do a bench test here and see if it still works okay. Got your 5-volt regulator, power, check engine light comes on. Fuel pump, the green one should come on for 1 second when you turn the key on. And it does. And then we go into code pulling mode here. And after a short burst, it will start blinking that light. And there we go. So everything's working good on the bench. And the repairs seem to go really well. I think this thing's going to work great for you.